Hello, everybody. Welcome to Learn English with Gaetana. My name is Gaetana Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. How are you doing? How are things at your end? Today, we are going to look at one of English phrasal verbs. What is that phrasal verb? Blow away. Blow away is a phrasal verb which is the combination of two words. The first one is the verb blow, and the second one is the particle away. Blow away has its own simple past tense and past participle forms. The first one is what is the simple past or verb 2 of blow away? Blow away is an irregular phrasal verb. That means we don't add ded or ied at the end of blow to write its verb to end v3. But if you want to write the v2 of blow away, what you have to do is changing o to a. So blow away becomes blew away. የብሎው አዌይ ቨርብ ቱ ምንድን ነው? ብሉ አዌይ ነው። BLEW AWAY blew away. In addition, what is the V3 or past participle of blow away? Blow away has some V3 or past participle. As I said earlier, since it is an irregular phrasal verb, we don't add ded or ied at the end. So what is the past participle or V3 of blow away? It is blown away. የብሎው away verb 3 ወይንም ደግሞ past participle ምንድነው? blown away BLOWNAWAY ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay. Having said that, let's see the two meanings of blow away. The first meaning of blow away is to impress. Blow away የመጀመሪያው ትርጉም ምንድነው? impress ማድረግ ነው። to impress. impress ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ማስደነቅ ማለት ነው። ምን ማለት ነው? ማስደነቅ። ምን አስደንቋችሁ ያውቃል? Okay? እከሌ እንደዛ እከሌ አስደንቆኛል፣ ይሄ ነገር አስደንቆኛል ለማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ምን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? You can use the phrasal verb blow away. Okay, let's see a couple of examples with blow away to mean impress. First of all, let's see this video. Okay, as you can see, Manchester United goalkeeper Sonny Lamens blows me away. ያም ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? የማንቸስተር ዩናይትድ ጎልኪፐር ሰኒ ላመንስ አስደንቆኛል ነው። That is the first example. The second one is my wife's beauty blows me away. My wife's beauty blows me away. የባለቤቴ ውበት በጣም ያስደንቀኛል ነው። That is the first meaning of blow away. The second meaning of the phrasal verb blow away is to cause something to go away. ይሄ ከንፋስ ጋር የተያያዘ ነው። ይሄንን ከንፋስ ጋር አያይዛችሁ መያዝ ትችላላችሁ። አንድ ነገር ከሆነ ቦታ ላይ የሚያንቀሳቅሰው ከሆነ ንፋስ ለምሳሌ ምን ማለት ትችላላችሁ? You can use blow away. For example, you can say what is happening in this video? As you can see, the wind is blowing away the pieces of paper. That is good. ያ ማለት ወረቀቱን ምን እየወሰደው ማለት ንፋሱ ወረቀቱን እየወሰደው ነው ማለት ነው። The other example is look at this video and tell me what is happening in this video. As you can see, The wind is blowing away the plastic bag. እዚህ ጋር ምን እየተካሄደ ነው? ንፋሱ የፕላስቲክ ባጉን ምን እያደረገው ነው? እየወሰደው ነው ማለት ነው። So here are the two meanings of the phrasal verb blow away. The first meaning is to impress, and the second meaning is to cause something to go away. Can you write your own sentences by using blow away? If you can, write 2 sentences by using the phrasal verb blow away in the comment section below. Until next time, bye.